Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you having a wonderful day today. But you know my style, one bagga and the one I gotta continue getting them daily updates on the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. And with that being said, let's just kick it off with this lawsuit that's on and popping by Derek Morgan. Yes, he is suing his daughter, Queen Ifrica, for coming out the other day saying that, he did the unthinkable to her. You see me, as well as her brother is suing her as well for, allegations that he was also touched by adults while he was a minor, you feel me? And we're talking about Merrick Morgan, your site. As you can see, he posted the news article earlier today because, they want the word to get spread that, the Daddy Don't Touch Me There artist is lying and needs some help. You feel me? So this is what the article has to say about the pending lawsuit because I thought things died down, but you don't know how the thing said. A lot of money is at stake because this is a national icon. You feel me? And if he passes, his legacy, is gonna generate millions, like Michael Jackson and Bob Marley. So this is why the family have to straighten out this situation right now before it gets any worse. So this is why the family of the 83-year-old foundation singer Derek Morgan has retained the attorney at law Charles Ganga Singh in Jamaica to pursue legal action against Morgan's daughter Ventrice Latoya Morgan, more popularly known as Queen Ifrica, who made serious allegations that the tougher than tough singer raped her. You see me, and they're quoted saying, "We have retained the services of Charles Ganga Singh to represent the defamation case against Ventrice Merrick Morgan, a son of the legendary singer," said. Queen Ifrica 48 made the allegations against, their daddy during an emotionally charged live stream on one of her platforms, social media platforms in August. And that's, what inspired her activism, you see it. So, I guess Queen Ifrica has to answer with fear lawyers, you see. It's a very unfortunate situation. I hope all the victims get justice. I'm not the judge, and I'll just leave it like that. Put in the comment section what you think about that, isn't it? Because the family is saying that, he's incapable of doing these things to Queen Ifrica because him old and him blind and him weak, and she was in her 20s and things and things. And next man was in the bed and all these stuff. It's in my one bag and a one people. But let's proceed to the next topic.
What was your first accent that you think you nailed?
Well, I thought I nailed it, but I'm learning I did not. The Jamaican accent.
Would you like to demonstrate a Jamaican accent for me now?
Yeah.
Now, yourself, Nicki, you was nailing a Jamaican for almost 12 years. You feel me? So that makes you Jamaican. I don't know why really she get a fight from people, from her trying to impersonate Jamaican or trying to speak like Jamaican, because who doesn't try to speak like Jamaican? You feel what I mean? And she's always been on the Jamaican scene when it comes to music. I know nothing new to her, no. But the thing said when you sign to labels, they tend to do what they want to do, not what you want to do. You see? And now she's at a point of her career where she can do whatever she wants. You feel me? So her showing love to Jamaica is nothing new to me. You see me? I said, but nevertheless, RT Boss did make some prophecy about Nicki Minaj some time ago, and it looked like said they came through again. So let's take a listen to what go on for not to go on.
So, I have a prophecy. This prophecy is for Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj, I see a Grammy. Nicki Minaj, I see a Grammy, and I also see a baby. I wonder if it's a girl. I see a plane, or you call it jet. And I see B on it, marked Barbs.
I'm not gonna lie, on point boss is on point again. You see, some people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because Nicki Minaj has just been nominated for a Grammy in for like in the past 7 years. You know, the Grammy them did that deal with the airway and all of these things. So you know what I mean? Look like says she might, get it. You feel me? Put in the comment section what you think about that. But speaking about the Grammys, a few of your own is nominated as well. Buju Banton, Beanie Man, Cali Buds obviously is from the Bahamas. It's similar, but you say Bob Marley's son and all of these things. You know what I mean? Put in the comment section who do you think is gonna win? You feel me? I don't know, I want to say Buju Banton is similar, but then again, Beanie Man, but boy, this is a good lineup, people. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I think Buju Banton might win it, you know what I mean? I think his songs went a further way than Beanie Man's songs them did this year, but you know how the thing go with the Grammy, you just never know, and Calibuds might run away with it. You see me, but anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. But speaking about RT Boss and, the Grammys and music business and all of these things, there's a video circulating saying with RT Boss describing how Spice, Obeah Jodi couture. You see me, the one time Gaza Monroe, you feel me? So let's take a listen to what he has to say and then we'll proceed.
That is why I love Jodi Couture. So Jodi Couture got Obeah man and places to get her career with Cartel. And they go to her and them tell her, say, them can't help them, I forgot to me. Jodi Couture will sing with Cartel, come to me and Maca Diamond. Enough thing we don't know, This is all we need to know, people. And that is why I'm bossy and go on. So when me I work for Spice, Maca Diamond, Jodi Couture, enough of them artists they come to me because when them go spiritual place, them say them can't do nothing on me. So before me come talk about Spice, the whole dance all know about me I work for Spice because when Jodi Couture come and she do the song with Spice, we need to watch that video there, because we talk about it. And since we bring me door, let me just say this and close. Now draw no more topic. When Jodi Couture come with, me wanna bell you over, don't be want to look, me wanna. That me and Spice just blood clot are coming from the ground. That's why I know say Spice will never love Cartel. I just a shama. We are hypocrite. And what Cartel do is when we are do our thing, Spice Cartel we never see Spice Cartel in our glory. When Spice do fair thing and so forth, Cartel get different gal try bust them. And when Cartel come out with one a belly rubber with Jodi and we have to kill that. And Jodi a rebels girl and she love bite up for herself because she want the number one and tell me if I kill that the song there. And when Jodi go out and start take sick and the people them tell her say is a person where it's smarty I work for. You know what Jodi do? That's why I'm rate her and until today me and my friend Jodi come at me and she say, hey man, I'm gonna go places and me you say yeah the Spice Obeah man. When me do you feel you do me something, I start laugh and so comes me start friend with her until today because she's a straight up person and me like how she just approach me and she beat me and me just say, so me like her energy and so me and I turn friend. Me no need to tell.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that. You see, me say, the other day Dr. Love did a live basically exposing the real Obeah business that's going on in dancehall, especially in the entertainment fraternity. And RT Boss name, Vegas, Davil Spice, Maca Diamond, all of them people that they call up in the live stream. You see me, some people. Anyway, I'm just giving a quick update while I go on for that to go and put in the comment section what you feel about that. And now before we end the review, you want to talk about that Keke Palmer situation because it looked like Usher wasn't the problem. You feel me? And homegirl been want to usher Darius out of, her life. You feel me? Because, she just revealed the other day that, he basically, attacked her, you feel what I'm saying, in her home, you know what I mean? And using the kid as an excuse to kick down her front door and her bedroom door, demanding to bring the 8-month, 9-month-old youth to a football game. He said, man, this guy's so local, you know what I mean? So now she's filing for full custody and all types of things. He said, man, boy, poor Usher, you see me, but it looked like Darius was looking for a reason to, try to embarrass homegirl. You see me, as, he tried to do when, the video with Usher, soothing, Keke and things. Listen, my people. Anyway, I'm not go long with this no longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we do drop another video and down some news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.